Hello and thank you for joining me on another unboxing video. This is going to be really quick and dirty, just sitting in front of my webcam to put this together. A package arrived from something I ordered, an AbsoluteBlack Hollowcage oversized derailleur pulley for my bike. This is just going to be purely an unboxing video. I'm not going to review the product. I'm not going to show installation. I guess I'll take a picture of it and show what it looks like installed, but this is purely just going to be an unboxing video. So package arrived, and inside this box is another box. This is as far as I got, because I started to unbox it, to be honest with you, and then I realized, hey, people on the internet like these unboxing videos. So the tape is broken, but that's all I did on my own, so the rest of it, you're joining me for the first time. So it says Absolute Black, engineered in England, Hollowcage, carbon Hollowcage ceramic, oversized derailleur pulley cage, and just some details about which product this is for. Mounting instructions, visit the website. And so now let's open it together. Ooh. Alright, so we've got a diagram of the product itself, explaining what's in there. Kind of not really even glued on that well. And then the box, so it's wrapped in tissue paper, which I wouldn't describe it as premium packaging, perhaps thoughtful in that it's not just a cardboard box with bubble wrap around thing. So it's thoughtful but not premium. And the derailleur ring appears to be just wrapped in tissue paper. So first impression, I'd say they probably just have these boxes, and when you order one, they just pick the one you want, wrap it in some tissue paper and put it in for basic protection. But there's the item itself. So again, I'm not going to be talking too much about this. There's other people that know a lot more than me out there if you are interested in the product itself. What else is in the box? Let's take a look. So we've got two rubber O-rings. Let's see, one-on-one, what does that look like? Yeah, it's just an O-ring. I guess a rubber seal if you need to replace things down the road. 3M, let's see what that is. So you have an Absolute Black sticker. I guess you can put that on your frame. And the last thing from watching reviews on YouTube, this is the tool for service. So if you need to do service to your Absolute Black carbon cage, this would appear to fit in here. So you can undo that, and you can undo that if the need arose. And that's pretty much it, I think. Is there anything hidden under here? Nope, that's glued in, not coming out. So that's it. Not much to the packaging, not much to what you order, but yeah, that's all there is to it. So if you like unboxing, there you go. If you want to know more about the product, look elsewhere, but I hope you enjoyed that. So I know I said I wasn't going to review the product, but I do just want to add one thing and say that installation was ridiculously easy. All you need is a Torx 10 screwdriver, and the old derailleur arm came out, the new Hollowcage went in, and I was even able to salvage the chain. This was a new chain on the bike. It would have been a shame to replace it, so I was able to take the quick link off, put the chain back on, and it doesn't even seem to need any resizing. Derailleur worked nicely, so definitely a pretty easy do-it-yourself project.